So I am downtown right now, and I'm looking at the aftermath of Hurricane Florence. Apparently the water got up to the damn benches. Them shits is high. Look at that. Look at this shit, man. A water fountain, man. Trees down. They put rocks out here. They tried to stop the water. Man, this is a tragedy. Trash cans knocked over, branches down. Look how high that water was. That water was all the way up here. That shit was high. Look at all that. Well, I guess they cleaned the park up for real. The hurricane did. That water was high though. Fayetteville's finest. Downtown behind the library. This is where we at right now. They done destroyed everything. Mother Nature.